Welcome back to the new chapters where we're going to begin. The first chapter we are going to begin is Introduction to Data Science using Python programming. So first let me speak about what exactly and why I have selected Python. So Python is one of the most easiest language to understand, and also it's like an upcoming language. It's presently being coming up. So I've collected some data related to Python. Let us see. Why Python? Yeah, the first point I already mentioned. It's easy to learn, and also it's a choice of the US computer science. All the programmers. It's ranked 8 out of 10. It is full featured here in the sense that using Python programming you can do statistical programming and data cleaning. It also has database queries related to Python. It has high performance and many more are there. We'll learn all them while in the next coming tutorials of mine. Then we have strong data science libraries. Yeah, Python, the best part of Python is it has huge of libraries. These libraries are very easy to use. This is one of the major libraries that it uses. It's SciPy ecosystem. In the SciPy ecosystem, there are many inbuilt libraries such as pandas, matplotlib. All these libraries come under this, and it is such easy so that makes everything. Just write this particular code and it will be all done. That easy it goes. So why exactly we are studying data science? Data science, let me tell you first, it's like an upcoming class that's going to upcoming I'm not getting the words. Yeah. Trend that is happening in the all companies. Yeah, that's the word I want. It's upcoming trend. It will contain huge amount of data, companies' data. They actually want to know what exactly how people are going to look into their company, what exactly they are going to be interested in the products. That's where data science come into. Also, data science have other uses also. Data science is used for hacking skills also. Hacking skills, people use data science. They collect large amount of previous data. They say, okay, this person has kept a password like this. Previous passwords may be stored somewhere as a plain text. They see, okay, these are the passwords that he kept. So next time when he'll keep a password, he may keep it like this way. That's what the basic knowledge or basic thinking goes on. It's a study on the person actually. Math and statistical knowledge. Yes, data science includes a lot of maths. So the basic requirement to start a data science is advanced mathematics. It is not just the basic mathematics. Advanced mathematics is required. Huge amount of calculations are there, but we all use calculators when we're going to be easy. And believe me, Python makes it very easy to do all the computations. Just need to know the logic of that particular maths. Then it is also the one of the major aspects where it comes substitute expertise. Here I mean is, it's like when all these companies come into the major big companies like Google, Flipkart, Amazon, all these companies come into, they want people who can tell them what exactly should they do to boost up their sales. I know I'm speaking like marketing person. No, it's not related to marketing. It is related to how exactly and which particular persons they should target to buy this product. They scan the previous data. They tell them, okay, this person may be interested in buying. This person will be interested in buying this items in this time. So like that it works on. Data science is all around us, but we just don't see it. That's what. Every item that you buy online, add-ons to your new list that's coming up. All these data are stored in a particular data warehouse, that you have bought this, you have bought that, you have bought this, you're doing this, everything is stored there. So next time whenever you are to buying it, it automatically comes up saying he is a person who's interested in this. so let him buy this also. So that's where the data science is linked to. Other data science perspectives are skepticism, experimentation, simulation, and replication. Here are some of these things that actually data science looks into. So I have drawn this pie chart and this diagram here. If you see hacking skills, all the danger zone, everything. In this, all of them, all the three circles, there's a minute place where data science holds, and that is one of the major important part where actually all people will be looking into. They will be seeing exactly where these things, all these come into, and where data science holds a position there. So just imagine using a data science, or you being a data scientist, where you can reach. And also to add on to your details and let you know that data science or data scientist people are given maximum salaries nowadays. Flipkart in the recent news actually said they want people who know data science. There is a huge demand. Guys, just look into how exactly data science works on Google Trends. Let us see that now. Hello guys. So go to your Google Chrome, open it up. Okay, I hope it opens fast. Yes. I don't know why Google Chrome is having a problem with my laptop, but it is having certain issues, maybe due to this extension. Yeah. Fine, no issues. Just enter it here. So just enter Google Trends. If you enter Google Trends and search for a minute, you will get the first bar. Please do select this, open it up. In Google Trends, I'm going to show you where exactly data science and how popular data science is. Data science. So related terms, if you just search data science, you can actually do it, and you see interest over times of all the major regions. So let me show you this. Look at this part. These are the regions: China, Singapore, St. Helena, India, Nepal. There are many 61 regions. The top regions are these, which are actually viewing data science. We are actually using the data science. Okay, these people are actually interested in our region. These people are actually interested in data science and knowing what are the related topics these companies are interested in. Let us see to that also. So where exactly AI, artificial intelligence, is a field of study. There's one major field using data science you can actually get to know. That's what I previously said, it was right. People's behavior you can come to know, people's how they think we can come to know, actually studying them. Data science is nothing but a study done on people. That's all. Udemy is one of the platforms where you actually get the courses, but they are not for free. They actually are paid courses. Pune, the city in India, here is one other place where actually people are working into data sciences and actually seeing what exactly TensorFlow. Recently it was introduced by Google, related to all the how exactly data science should work. TensorFlow is a good environment. I'll be teaching you in the future lessons. And even the workbench topic. Workbench, it's going to be like where exactly how data has to be arranged, how data has to be tested, how trained, how the set has to work, all these aspects. I also want to show you, if you just search pandas, sorry, spelling mistake, pandas. Okay, Python, pandas. You just search. This is a software that is used widely for just over time. In our case, it's keep on increasing. It's never gone down. It's increasing. It's reached 100. That's what the level is, 100%. Again, these companies which will be using pandas, first of the most people, these have been mentioned out here. Beautiful Soup, HTML parser. This is one again part of a beautiful Python library. Beautiful Soup is used for scraping of webs using this. Keras is also one other platform that is being used. Fine, we'll study further. So that's what exactly data science is related to. And the need of data science is all-time high. Ever since in 2004 when Google started saying what people are actually searching, what is the most searched item on Google search engine, from that time data science is playing. So it's always increasing, it has never gone down. The need of data science has never gone down and it will be keeping on increasing. And guys, you know one bad truth about data science is there are very few people who can actually program and write a particular code, prove them that this code works the best and will tell you best answer. The average salary for a data scientist is going to be 36 lakhs rupees per year. I know that's a big amount. Yeah, if you're thinking, wow, that's going to be, yeah, you can also get it. It's not so difficult. You just need to be at the right place to learn at the right time. These are all concepts that are related to data science. I'll tell you one major aspect why data science is needed presently. These all companies, big companies, have started a long back, right? So there are many users of these companies. So these companies are thinking now, okay, these items are selling this time, this items are selling this time. So let me know what exactly how people are going to buy my items. So they do what? They call these data sciences. They tell them please study over our future things. So these all data sets that for past years they are stored in a data warehouse. These data sets are collected, they are studied. After studied, they are implemented. Training set is done. After a training set is done, they create a test set. Training set and test set, I'll be doing this, I'll be repeating these words again in the future thing. So I'll let you know what exactly this training set is and this test set is there. So these sets are taken and again some new data will be given saying that okay, next time if a buyer comes and if these things are shown, he will buy it or not. This is how exactly data will work, data science will work. Sorry, I don't know what is happening. Fine. So that's all. This was the introduction to it. So next time we'll be all into programming directly. So I'll give you a bit of hint of how exactly the program is going to be. So just search Anaconda here. And those all who are new to Python programming, please don't worry. I'll be going first with the basics, then only I'll be entering data science. So that will be easy for you guys. So I believe everyone must have installed Anaconda. So I'm also going to work on that only. So it's both easy installation on Windows as well as on Unix platforms. So yeah, I guess you won't have any problem. So I hope this Anaconda opens fast. Anaconda. Yeah, my process has become very slow. I don't know why is that happening. Also along with these tutorials, I'll also be removing a responsive web design tutorials. It will be upcoming soon. So interested in that also you can view. In the responsive web designing, I'll be teaching you HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript also. So hope you guys are doing well, going along well. I don't know why it is taking so much time. It is opened. Wow, thank God. So let me tell you this to start. I'm not actually starting the coding. I'll let you know where exactly this get adjusted to the Anaconda environment. So I'll be mostly working on Jupyter Notebook. So just press the button launch here. So it will be launching. Wait for 2 seconds for this to launch. changing it to 8 GB RAM, 4 GB is having an issue. Yep, it is open. So it works online. So here it is. So you can actually do what you can go to Anaconda project, you click it here and create a new one. You can use a text file folder, you can create a folder in this. So untitled folder, you open it and create a new 533. This thing I did use. So if you are finally open with the Jupyter Notebook, and you can again click from here and go to a new one, save particular point where you want, and here you are all set to enter. So pandas. So all you are set. So see you back in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy. Bye. See ya.